Today let's welcome back to another video. So right now I'm about to take this mess off of my head. Like, yo, this is a mess. Let me show you. Like, I look like a sick poodle. A sick poodle. I was trying to figure out which wig I'm gonna put on, because I'm only putting on a wig for the weekend. So we're gonna do her. She a little checked up right now. We're gonna wash her. We're gonna get this glue out. We're going to press her, and we're going to do a side part on this side, like a deep side part, and have it bone straight for the weekend. Because next week I'm going to wear my curly one for my trip. So period. So yeah. So we're gonna put her on today. We have to hook her up. So with that being said, I'm not even going to mess up this bun, because I have to go to Target and pick up my pickup. I have to go to Target and pick up my set, my olive oil set. And every time I go on there, they have one and not the other. Then I went on the website, the actual website, to get the 3 combo, and it was sold out again. So I found it at Target. I had to do two different Targets to go pick up my stuff. Like, what? Is it that serious? But yeah. Ooh, I got a long day on Monday. A very long day. So yeah, I'm not about to talk to y'all right here in the dark. Alright, so yeah, I'm waiting for, I look fucking crazy. Like, I can't wait to take this out my hair. Like, it was all cute when I first did it, but now it's just like giving me dry, nappy. She just ain't got her shit. Like, nobody's on it. So yeah, I'm really just waiting for this order to be ready so I can go get it. I might have a hair appointment later. And I need to install my wig. And I can't wait to use them products. Like, I can't wait to use them products. I like to switch my wigs up, and I want to keep all my baby hairs. Like, I'm keeping all of it. So, bye, boho. So yeah, I shall pick up. So yeah, I'm waiting for my next pickup to be ready so I can go to the other. I can't wait to take this off of my head, y'all. The fact that the video I did with y'all and all them tracks came out and I glued them back in and ended my video, and now I'm about to take it out. For all that, I should have just left them all. Like, just took the whole thing off. 1-877-53. Up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's stuck. Let me stop playing and see if my delivery ready. No face, no case. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. Y'all see this thing I told y'all that I had on my head? I showed y'all this in one of my videos before. So, I had to go to the hair store. Y'all, I bought 1, so 2, 4, 6, 8. I stopped playing with her. All that trash out here. So I showed y'all the wig grip gel. Yes. Then I also have the oil, the Sheen spray. And sis had to buy the mousse for her baby hair. Stop playing with her. And I got this little bottle, got to be, because since we about to go to Florida, I need some little travel size stuff. Then got a good some braid in here, so she can braid her hair and take that scarf off. When I told you I was gonna wash my wig, I didn't even wash it, so I'm about to go wash my wig and I shall be back. So alright, so I'm finished washing my wig. She already sit down.
I did it without
I'm take this off.
I did you with Mariah. Lil nigga, I'm on fire. Icy as a hockey ring, Philly nigga on flyer. When I bought the Rolls Royce, they thought it was lease. Then I bought that new Ferrari, hey to rest in peace. Hey to rest in peace to the parking lot. Phantom so big, can't even fit in the parking spot. You ain't talking about my niggas, then what you talking about? Gangsta moving silence, nigga, and I don't talk a lot. I don't say a word. I don't say a word, was on my grind and now I got what I deserve. Fuck nigga, hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? When I bought I asked them all, y'all thought it was raining?
I don't know where my weave brush is. Put some mousse on there. I'm gonna leave it how it is. Period. And we done. Alright, y'all, so my battery's about to die. And this is the end of the video. I will be back tomorrow and the weekend. I got stuff planned for us. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit that notification bell because y'all know sis upload videos all the time. Thanks for all the love and support. My battery's about to die, so I'm trying to put everything in this video right now. Thanks for all the love and support, and I will see y'all this weekend, tomorrow, and all this weekend in my weekend vlog. See y'all. Bye.